can you shut up? Okay, so
I'm in the Christmas spirit. I'm singing Christmas spirituals.
hey babe, I know we already had one coffee from Starbucks, but can we have another one?
Yes. What is up, everybody? We're here at the Christmas tree farm. It is Vlogmas day number 1, guys.
Oh my god, it's here!
It's freaking here. So last year it was not that packed when we came, but it was like 2 weeks.
And it wasn't, we came for the pumpkins because we came in October.
Right. But now we're here for a Christmas tree, or at least to just look at the Christmas tree, see if we pick one up. But there's a lot of people here, guys.
Yeah, we just passed by the front and it's like packed. There's like 3 lines formed.
I don't even know if we're gonna get a tree, but let's go inside. Let's check it out.
Yeah, we already made the 50-minute trip over here.
Yes, 50. It feels like 15 minutes. Like, okay, let's go home.
Yeah.
But it's 50 minutes, so let's check it out.
We're gonna try to keep our distance. We have our masks.
I'm not afraid of people. What I'm afraid of is there being too many people for us to get
good vlog footage.
That.
Because I don't want to be in anybody's way, you know?
Correct.
Just because we're filming or we're vlogging.
Hey, look at these clouds, yo. Can you guys see those clouds?
If you guys don't know George, he is obsessed with clouds.
Yes, look at the cloud. They look like puffy. You know, like
Cool Whip.
Wait, yes.
They look like cotton candy Cool Whip.
Cotton candy Cool Whip. That's what it is right there, guys. All right, so let's go. Why are they making those trees twerk like that, girl? Look at that. Twerking. Look at how many people are here, guys. A lot of people here. They really got an operation going on here. Yeah, as soon as we get here, they're all like, do you want to cut your own tree, or do you want to just pick out a tree? And I was like, I don't even know. I was zoomed in right there.
Funnel cake.
Yes, funnel cake. That's always fun.
Did you unzoom?
Yeah, it's unzoomed.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolates? No, we're gonna get Starbucks later.
Oh yeah. So cute.
Are we gonna put one of these in front of our house? Oh, it's the little ones, the little trees.
Yeah.
We just. We'll take that one.
Grinch.
Little Grinch.
Oh, look, pictures of Santa. There's a Santa Claus here.
Oh yeah, look at Santa Claus. Is that a real Santa Claus?
Santa.
What's a tree with legs? Jump. One of these in front of our apartment.
Oh, I kind of want one now.
Yeah? Because if we're going to have a tree, we're going to put it outside in the front. Even this one, look at this.
Yeah.
This one's so different. Let's go into the woods. Oh, look at the little babies. There's a little tree. So cute. Can you imagine all of these with eyes and a mouth like the Grinch?
Yeah, they're the Grinch.
Bunch of Grinch faces. Let's count the rings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was he 4 years old?
Yeah.
And they killed him.
It takes about 5 years to fully grow a Christmas tree.
He didn't even have a chance to live. He barely started preschool. Rest in peace, little tree.
I think, if you think about it, these are the trees that we saw a
Last
year or
year?
2 ago.
Right?
Yeah.
Hello, trees. How you been? Oh, I love you, tree. I just want to let you know I remember you from a year ago, and you've grown up so big and tall and strong and beautiful. I'm not going to be taking you home this year. And if you make it to next year, maybe I'll take you. But if someone else takes you, just know that I'm proud of you.
George, please stop talking to this tree.
You know what we should do?
Yeah?
We should try to recreate the intro, except it's backwards.
Backwards?
Yeah, you have to run around and flip. Yeah.
Nope.
Go ahead.
It's too muddy.
So
No.
that's the fun. That's the challenge.
No.
Whoa, what is up with your hair, girl?
I don't even think we can chop that one down.
This is us.
Honey, I don't think we can take it. He's too young, honey. He's too young.
Where can we get Christmas tree seeds? I want a Christmas tree seed. I'm gonna grow my own Christmas tree.
Honey?
This year.
Okay, well you can't have that one. You do understand that one.
No.
Okay, yeah, it's been 5 minutes. Can you please stop begging for that tree? This man, arguing with this man is pretty much impossible.
Look. You brought me here and you said we might get a tree. And now that we're here, you're all like, no.
Yeah, I'm kind of having commitment issues. I'm not gonna lie. First of all, we didn't bring a truck. We already put up a Christmas tree. You want to go through all that hassle again?
I know, but I want a real one.
Lo único que te falta es tirarte en el piso and throw a tantrum. Are you kidding me right now? People are watching you. What is this vlog gonna be?
Imagine bringing a child.
The Christmas tree drama.
Christmas tree drama. Vlogmas Day 1. Christmas tree drama. Why is my...
What's on your forehead?
Do I have stuff from the ground?
From the tree and the ground.
What Why is my... Where's my makeup? There you go.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was... You were recording?
Yeah.
I was posing. They can have a tree. Why can't I have... Look, they have a big tree too. Why can't I have a tree?
Fine.
No, I don't want it anymore.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Okay, let's go. What the?
Oh no.
Oh no. Here you go. I need to save the tree.
You need to stay right here. Oh my god. Everybody, the Grinch is stealing Christmas. Oh my god, can you imagine? Honey, what is that?
I don't know.
Are we going?
I don't know. I'm gonna try.
I look up and look what George is driving by. I don't think it's open. This is a long line. Do you want to get coffee anymore?
You don't want to, we don't have to.
See that this Starbucks sucks.
This Starbucks sucks.
So hopefully our coffee is not cold because we ordered it literally like 20 minutes ago.
What is a cinnamon latte? Oh, cinnamon dulce latte. Thank you. You too.
It's cold as hell.
At least they decided to make it right when we got. Look, what are these people doing? What
Are people waiting?
are people waiting right there? That's where we wanted to wait. But the sign right there said, "You can't wait here."
Yeah.
Basically.
I got a chestnut praline latte, my second one of the day. And then George got a, what is it called?
Cinnamon dulce latte.
Cinnamon dulce latte. His second one of today.
That's my first one.
Oh, what else did you get earlier?
I got the salted caramel mocha frappuccino.
Oh, okay.
Crawfish? Pho?
No, brisket pho. He'll be back. Stop freaking out. He'll be back.
Yum! Is this a how to make your own pho tutorial?
So we just got pho. Well, we just got home.
Hey,
And I got some pho.
come here, boy.
Yeah, but why is this so oily? So cold outside. You need something like this.
What about you? You fit in some pho? Oh yeah.
But my most favorite thing is the bean sprouts.
You
I
don't want
just
to put that in a bigger
love
bowl?
that crunchness. But I like to let the jalapenos. I'm glad you asked for extra. So I like to let them soak and get the broth super spicy.
What about lime? You want to lime it up?
I don't like lime in my broth.
Really?
Yep. This is perfect. Except for all that oil. I don't know what's going on with that.
And I got a po' boy, guys. Po' boy the
sure is.
shrimp. That's it. With
Shrimp
some
po'
fruit
boy.
punch.
Is this the end of the vlog?
It's the end of the vlog. Vlogmas Day number 1.
Where were you the entire vlog? Where were you?
I was at my master's house.
Are you gonna watch Mandalorian?
Well, I don't know. I just put it on, but whatever you want to watch.
I like the table here. That way we can watch the TV.
I love it. See?
What is this?
Pokemon cards. I got into Pokemon cards this past year, guys. And I am on a mission to defeat my brother. But anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like down below and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on Vlogmas Day number 2.
Bye! I'm so excited.
Peace.